Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm having issues with the hatch, and I took out all the spark plugs because it was misfiring and it was overheating the other day after the car show. I am sitting there taking out the spark plugs, and the number 4 spark plug was full of oil. It was overheating, like I said, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to figure out this other issue, why is it misfiring right now, and then get to the overheating part later. Yeah, you can see that oil all over it. So I'm pretty sure that's why it's misfiring. Thank you. That's probably why it's misfiring. It's soaked in oil, so I need to go get new spark plugs, NGK not putting that back in. Gotta go get a new valve cover gasket. What else? A lot of shit, yeah, that's right. Alex is here, so don't look at yourself, you look at this. You look here, not here. Here, not here.
I can see myself.
All put back in, or put into the channel and stuff. So, but for now, I'm gonna work on this today, so try to get the hatch back up, because it's been sitting in the garage for the last 2 days, and I just don't want to drive it like that because it's running like crap. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I get into with this, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just got back from the auto parts store. Got new valve cover gasket, all the grommets and everything. Here's the old ones, but I got everything here, brand new. I ended up, all they had was 2 spark plugs at that store. Well, they had 3, but when he opened one was broken in half, so the white piece of the spark plug was like shattered. So definitely can't take that. So yeah, NGK's stock spark plugs. But what I'm going to do right now is I got the filler gauge, whatever you want to call it, to adjust the valves while it's already, I have everything off already. So alright, so I got everything back together. I got 2 spark plugs in, 3 and 4. I gotta go pick up the other 2 spark plugs from the auto parts store right now. Got all of the gaskets and everything pulled, the grommets and whatnot. But I'm gonna eventually have to change the head. I'm pretty sure it's gonna leak because oh shit, no wonder, that's why. Wow, I just noticed that.
What's up?
I don't know if y'all can see that right there.
Valve cover's cracked. Oh shit. Looks like you're gonna change that valve cover.
It's so freaking, there it goes, right here. There is a massive gap. It's cracked right there. The valve cover itself, it's cracked. So I know it's gonna leak now. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to change that now too. Alright, so I got everything back together. I didn't change it. This is the fix for it right now. I mean, I have like, it's 2 bolts and 2 washers on there, and then the grommet underneath so it doesn't leak out. I'm hoping that works though for now, because I really don't feel like redoing all this. I'm not sure exactly if it's gonna leak. I'm hoping not. I'm really hoping not. But I mean, I really don't want to get rid of this valve cover because it's nice. It's Tenzo R Racing Sport. So I don't want to go to that. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna start it up in a minute. I gotta put some coolant in, and then I'm gonna start it up. Alright, so here is the first start up after it being messed up.
Hold on, you gotta turn this car on real quick.
Oh, son of a bitch. Battery dead.
How?
Ain't that some boogity shit? Cause the fan.
The live stream, car.
Oh,
Oh, you see that shit?
Yeah, it's been up for like 2 days. Already.
Fun?
On BET. Boricua Entertainment. Okay, it's Black Entertainment. You know, Oprah bought BET recent to make it black again.
A little education coming from Mike.
What?
A little education coming from you.
Oh, yeah. What up? We doing shout outs or something? Yo, my car is for trade right now. I want something a little bigger than a coupe, reliable, rust free, no piece of shit. I mean, my car ain't the best thing, but y'all all seen it and fuck with me. You know it ain't no fucking junk.
Yeah.
So, definitely want to trade. No for sale, because what the fuck am I gonna drive to work tomorrow? Think, I'm just like you. So, it's for trade. 96 LS stock motor. Got stage 4 action clutch unsprung. Got VMS subframe bar, VMS rear tire bar, Skunk 2 LCAs in the rear. I got fairly new brakes, slotted rotors, spark plugs, NGK spark plug wires, oil change, fresh Dizzy cap, fresh Dizzy rotor, fresh motor mounts. It has no AC, no power steering. Everything works. You know, sunroof, power windows. Car runs good. It's my daily driver. Just under 200 on the motor and original trans. And yeah, I'm just trying to trade for something like an EK 4-door. Even if it's single cam, just real clean, or a B series, it's even better.
Something clean.
Something clean, no junk. Don't waste my time. Cause I will call you out on the next fucking episode.
Zoom in?
Nah.
Action.
There you go.
Nah, I managed to get it. Everything's good. The valve tap seems to be a little louder. I don't know. I just did it wrong. That'll be for another day. It's not leaking. As I see, I took it around real quick. It's not making the noise that it was, like the rattling can, pennies in a can, whatever noise it was. It's not that bad anymore. But I mean, it runs. It feels a little stronger. So I just gotta figure out if it's gonna overheat or not. I'll find that out later, like tomorrow or something, later today when I drive it, when I take it home. But I know I gotta clean out. I gotta clean out the idle control valve, because I'm pretty sure that's why it's surging. It's idle surging right now. And for now, I'm done for today. I'm not doing anything else. You doing anything?
Nope.
You doing anything?
What?
Are we doing anything else?
Trying to stay cool, man.
I am ending it for today. I'm done. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. And share with your buddies. I'm out. Peace. Who we gonna end it? We gonna end it on Mike's face today. End it on Mike's face. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom. Alright.
See that stress. Stress. This isn't premeditated, you know?
I'm gonna premeditate something.
Shit. Fuck your county. Fucking. I'm not gonna get into that, because then somebody will get my ass.
Stop it!